In today's video, I'll show you how you can view all your websites you have visited on Instagram from your Android device. Sharing links on Instagram is different compared to other social media platforms. That's because Instagram is meant for sharing images primarily, and over the years, it has allowed some flexibility to share links to a certain extent. Users like to share links to their product pages, petitions, causes, and blogs. While you can browse hundreds of such stores and sites on Instagram, but won't be able to recollect them if you have to suggest one to a friend or a colleague. Fortunately, Instagram has the sense to include a way to discover these websites, a link in your profile for lateral pursuit. You can now view all the websites you have opened on Instagram in a single location. Now let's check out how to view all the links you have visited so far. For that, go to Instagram application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Now make sure you are logged into it so you'll land onto an interface like this. Now if you go to the bottom right corner, you can see your profile icon, tap on it. Now tapping on it, you land onto your Instagram profile. Now go to the top right corner and tap onto the three horizontal lines. Now from the pop-up option, go to your activities and tap on it. Under this link tab, you can see all the website and link you have visited on Instagram. Now if you go to the time tab, you can see how much time you have spent on Instagram scrolling through your feeds. And on the links tab, you can see here is a hide history option. If you tap on it, you will actually delete the links. You might find it misleading, but there is a reason behind it. Instagram means that those links will be deleted for you but will stay in the archives as per their data policy. You will receive a warning from Facebook telling you that the information will still be used to improve your experience. So to hide or delete the individual links you don't need or want anyone else to view, tap and hold on it. So if you go and tap and hide, the particular link will be removed or hidden from the link tab. So this is the easiest way to view your website that you have visited on Instagram once. And this will it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.